Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Paula and this is my humble little corner of the internet, and here we do everything beauty, skincare, hair, makeup, hauls, reviews, you name it. So if this is the kind of video you like to watch, I invite you to subscribe and stay join us with the family. And I'd like to say thanks so much for your support. Love guys, appreciate the bugs, thank you. So today's video, get excited, we're going to be trying on reviewing this beautiful wig from Hairvivi. The box comes so beautiful package. I did open the box before because I had to check that everything was in the box right before we filmed the video. 10 out of 10 for packaging from Hairvivi. I have a K-tip. I told you guys a little bit a while back I stopped wearing tape and started wearing K-tip. Let's see how we install this wig with K-tip extensions in it. Well, let's dig into this box. Everything comes very nice packed. I'm sorry if my light is too bright, you cannot see well, but I'm trying my best. So it comes with this beautiful wrapping paper, but very pretty, very nice presentation, very nice. In here we have her. So this wig, her name is Sophia, and she is 100% human hair. Your personal stylish Hairvivi. And I'm going to have the info for Hairvivi down in the description of this video if you guys want to check them out. They make some amazing wigs. So this little card shows you how to care for the wigs. So one thing that I love about this wig right off the bat was she is glueless. So if you're a beginner or you're somebody who doesn't like to wear glue on your hairline, this wig you don't need to wear glue with her. So then we have the wig in the box. I'm going to put her down because I just want to share with you guys everything else that comes in the box. You get this this smells so good. This little silk bag or satin bag for you to store your wig. Next we have this little kit here that you get a rat comb tail, like mini comb with a little brush on the side to fix your hairline, I believe. Two Hairvivi clip. I love these clips. I have so many of them because I'm using them all the time. You also get this little extra here. This is for the wig, for you like you know, make her smaller or bigger. And then you have one extra little clip, little thing here. You come two of them if you need to put on your wig. Beautiful, elegant and effortless. Love it. So let me take her out of there. Come nice protect with this little fishnet cap here. Oh, she's gorgeous. She is beautiful. Look at this. So and then she comes with these two clips here protecting the front. I'm gonna take it out. So this one, I think that her length is 18 inch. I'm not 100% sure, but I think it's 18 inch. Let me see. Yeah, probably 18 inch. And this one, her name is Sophia. And the one thing that I love about is the scalp is so real. So they have like this I think HD, this is a transparent mesh. So you know, you guys know normally the meshes are like color. This one is colorless. You can see it's on the top of my hand here, and you cannot see where the mesh start or finish. So excited. All right, so she is stunning, gorgeous. So I showed you guys the mesh that is the scalp. It just looks so good, so real. So now let's see the inside of the wig. Wow, look at this. She is really well made. The material is nice and silky, and like I said, they have this band here for you secure on your head, and then she has this little comb here on the back for you to secure the wig on your hair. But that's how she looks inside. Very nice. All right, so and this little lace here, after we apply the wig, you're going to cut it, but she is stunning. I absolutely love the color. So I'm going to put the color here. I'm going to be editing for you guys. She has like layers in the front. Very pretty, very nice. So you guys if you guys want to try this wig from Hairvivi, the info is going to be on the description of this video. So I'm super excited for try her out. So let me get my hair in a bun so we can try this beauty out. All right, I'll be right back. So before we start, I just want to show you guys that she has like a nice comb. So okay, so let's go like this. I like to put the back in first, so that little comb I'm going to stick on like the bottom of my hair. And now let's pull her in. Okay, so we got her in. Wow, and she's very secure in place. I like this hair color. Ooh. Okay, so I'm gonna bring the hairline down a little like this. Wow, she's so secure in place. That's like unbelievable. Look at this, she ain't going nowhere. Wow, I'm really surprised how secure she is in place. Alright, so now we're going to cut her. So I think that's where I want her to be. She have a very nice like a hair distribution. So if you want like to, you know, do any like hairstyle, you can do it, no problem. It's not going to be showing your scalp or nothing. Very nice. It's very pretty. I actually love this hair color. So alright, so now let's cut the lace. So I'm telling you guys, I'm not professional on cutting lace, so I am doing my best here, so bear with me. Let me zoom you in a little bit. I'm looking down because I have a mirror in front of me so you guys can see. But look how amazing this lace is. You know, normally like most of the lace, they are like a skin tone. This one actually is 100% transparent, so you can see nothing, like crazy. So let's cut it. Okay. Full cut it. Better. Right, well now let's finish cutting. We're gonna put it down. This is so crazy how amazing she looks. How this hairline looks so perfect. Crazy. Okay, alright guys, so this is the final result after the wig and style. I went in and flat iron her a little bit to style. And I did use a little bit of hair mousse for holding in the edges of the hair. So that's the finish. So I'm going to turn around so you guys can see the back. But look how seamless this hairline is. Perfect. It's almost like you don't have nothing in it. I love how she fits the hairline. It's amazing. So tell me, what do you guys think? She is stunning. So I'm going to turn around so you guys can see the back, how the hair looks. That's the back of the wig. You guys can see a lot of hair, not like thin ends. The end of the wig is very full. It looks flawless. So what do you guys think? Very beautiful. Love it. The Hairvivi website has a lot of different wigs, different shades, different style, but quality, I'm happy to tell you guys, the hair is super healthy, super soft, is stunning. 100% human, so you can style the way you want it. This HD transparent mesh that they use, it's amazing because it literally make your hair line seamless. I absolutely love it. So if you guys have any question about the wig, about the Hairvivi, drop in the comment below and I try to answer best I can. I hope you guys love these results as much as I did. She's absolutely stunning. Love it. Easy to install, no glue needed, no mess, just perfection. Very pretty. And remember that I do have my K-tip extension in, so without the K-tip extension it's gonna look even more perfect because probably it's gonna look more flat in the back, but she looks absolutely stunning. Alright, so that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoy. I'm going to have the info for Hairvivi in the description of this video. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to check this beauty out, and they do have all the colors too, so you can go there and knock yourself out. Love you. See you next video. Bye.